Amadoda aphuma emkhakheni ahlukahlukene yempilo neminyaka yobudala ehlukahlukene ahlanganile namhlanje ukuze abambe iqhaza kwi-Men's Dialogue ngaphansi kwesiqubulo esithi Ingawe Ndoda ebibanjwe ngasekuqaleni kwanamhlanje eMidlands Welfare Centre Zone 9. Le ngxoxo ibihlelwe uphiko lwamaphoyisa aseNingizimu Afrika ngokubambisana nezinhlangano ezizimele okubalwa kuzo iNyeleti Lighthouse, Lifeline Johannesburg kanye ne-The Ground Movers. Umgomo ukwakha indawo ephephile neyokwamukela abantu besilisa ukuze baxoxe ngezinselelo zabo emphakathini. Phakathi kwesihloko okuxoxwe ngazo kule ngxoxo udlame olusekelwe kubulili, ukulunga kobudoda nezinye izindaba zomphakathi.
Sekhuthazwa abantu besilisa ukuba bakhulume ngezinkinga ababhekana nazo emphakathini. Lokhu kuza njengoba izinhlangano ezingenzi inzuzo ezahlukene kokubambisana nophiko lamaphoyisa e-SAPS eMidlands abambeke imbizo yamadoda ukudingida kabanzi ngalezi inkinga.
We can solve some of the societal issues eziningi nje ezisiaffectayo, ukudlengula kwabomama, abantwana, ukunukubezwa, izinto ezinjalo. So namhlanje sihlangane la because of sibona ukuthi instead ukuthi kube nama events whereby abantu ba-offer ama-speech, ithi sihlangane kube nama-commissions azothekila ama-topics asihlukumezayo ezi-society.
Kusenjalo izikhulumi zosuku okubalwa phakathi abaholi bezenkolo nabasebenzela umphakathi bathi-ke amadoda kumele abuyele ezindimeni zawo.
Pride of a man is when the man is providing, but when a man is being provided, then umuntu uluza isidima sakhe. So siyafuna ukuthi amadoda abuyele lapha, and we encourage also, extend also for next time ukuthi amadoda le asijoin khona futhi sizobuye siyenze, asijoin sihlale phansi siyeke ukuthi mhlambe ezinye izinto sizivale ngophuzo, ngoba most of the time thina masibona ukuthi asithola ama-solution sivala ngophuzo.
Reasons ngilwa kanje is because of I feel like men have lost their role. Men have actually not lost it, but they've given it up. Izinto zishintshile. Post 1994 a lot of things changed for men, you know, because of, you know, ekudaleni besebenzisa le nto ukuthi the man is the head of the house, la 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 la. But what we needed to understand is that head needed a neck. And that neck was that wife. So manje we needed to bring a balance. But now, when post 1994, women were treated more better. Women were given a lot of a rope, you know, to there's causes, there's what. But remember, forgetting ukuthi they're leaving the boy child futhi emuva.
Ingawe Ndoda iyimbizo ke yabesilisa abasha nabadala evulela inkundla ekhululekile ukubhodla ngezinkinga zabo njengoba ke sekwande nesihlava sokuhlukunyezwa ngokobulili. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV